You've bought into the AI hype, maybe even rolled out a few tools. But 6 months later, no real change, just a lot of chatbots making weird suggestions. According to OpenAI's Olivier, Godement, and Sherwin, that's because most companies are doing it wrong. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. On a recent episode of the BG2 podcast, the duo behind OpenAI's developer platform dropped a reality check and 3 critical steps for turning AI into something that actually delivers results. First, build a tiger team. That's a hand-picked squad of technical experts and employees who know the business inside and out. Godement said, in the enterprise, a lot of the real knowledge lives in people's heads. Without that cross-functional group bridging AI and day-to-day operations, your AI rollout is dead on arrival. Second, don't skip benchmarks. Wu and Godement stressed the importance of evals, clearly defined performance goals that show whether the AI is helping or hurting. Wu said they often need to come from the bottom up, meaning the people doing the actual work should help define what success looks like. Third, repeat like an artist. Tracking progress and refining the model is less a straight path and more of a creative process. In Godement's words, sometimes you need to fine-tune the model yourself, be patient, get your way up there, and then ship. Across the tech world, leaders are catching on. Duolingo CEO holds weekly AI days to encourage AI experimentation. Airtable CEO even told his staff to cancel all meetings if it helps them explore AI. The message: if you want AI to stick, don't wait for magic. Organize, experiment, evaluate, and be ready to build from scratch. What's your take on this? Tell us in the comments. Smash the like button and subscribe to GadInsider. And hit the bell icon too so you stay updated with more tech news.